It's fall feast time, y'all. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Today we start off with some organic sweet potato fries that we're going to cook in our oven. We're going to crisp up some Applewood Jimmy Dean bacon for our BLT. And we're going to use marble bread with avocado, lettuce, and tomato. We're going to cook up some traditional Campbell soup. I have some oregano and basil from the garden outside that I'm going to sprinkle into my soup. And I'm going to crisp, but we're going to let our bacon get really crispy. Add a little garlic salt to our tomato soup. Slice up our tomato. Get us some lettuce. And we have our bread. I use avocado instead of mayonnaise for my BLT. We have our crispy bacon. And voila, we have an ultimate BLT with sweet potato fries with a little sea salt and some tomato soup, perfect for any fall night and a cozy way to start out our fall season. So thanks hello for another time. See you in the next video.